Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Frigidaire refrigerator access panel. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new access panel. The access panel covers up the components at the bottom of the refrigerator. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change the part, we have to go around to the back of the fridge. Now that we're around back, we can see the access panel. It's located down at the bottom of the machine. We're going to use a 1/2-inch wrench to take off the water line. First, we're going to put a towel down to catch any water that may come out. We can grab the wrench and loosen it up. Once you have it loose, you can just unscrew it by hand. And then we're going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver to take out the screw that holds the clamp on. Then we can pull the water line off and get it out of the way. Once you have the water line out of the way, we can use the 1/4-inch nut driver to take out the rest of the screws to hold the access panel on. Once you have all the screws out, we're just going to make sure the panel comes out from around the water valve. We can lift it out and pull it off the refrigerator. Here's the old access panel next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you put the access panel in, you want to make sure it goes behind the lip right here. So you just have to feed it in and set it into place. Make sure the little cutout is there for the cord. Once you have it in place, we can use the 1/4-inch nut driver to put in the screws. When you're putting the screws in, you just want to make sure the holes are lined up and put the screws in. On this screw, for whatever reason, the hole doesn't line up with the pre-cut out, so we're just going to punch a hole in it and put it in. Once you have those in, we can grab the water line and put that back on. All you have to do is feed the water line down into the water valve and tighten down the nut. Once you have it snug, you can grab the 1/2-inch wrench and tighten it down so you don't get any leaks. Then we can grab the 1/4-inch nut driver again and put the screw through the clamp. And make sure it goes into the hole behind everything. Once you have the access panel installed, you can plug the machine back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.